A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. मैं हूँ आपकी host और दोस्त सना, and today I am in Asia's biggest cat show, which is happening right here in Navi Mumbai 2024. We are super excited to see all the cats, the vets, the cat parents. There are so many people around, and it's going to be very exciting. Let's go inside and let's see what's happening at the Expo 2024, which is brought to you by FCI. Please come with me. At the expo, amazing. Sir, it's very nice.
No, it's really good. I can see so many breeds of the cat and so beautiful, so many beautiful cats. It's amazing.
Which breed did you like the most, sir?
Persian cat is my favorite.
Okay.
So they are really very cute.
Yeah.
And we met one cat called Ploy. She's the Instagram
Yes.
star. So yeah, so we are loving the experience, and this is the first experience for Avyad, my son. He's
Tell
enjoying
me,
it.
how are you feeling and which cat did you like the most?
I like the Instagram cat.
Wow, Chloe.
Ploy.
Very cute she was, right?
Yes,
Let's ask, ma'am, are you enjoying at the expo?
Absolutely, yes.
What is the best part about the FCI organization?
All the varieties of cats, and yeah, they are like fluffy toys around.
Not here, but in my hometown we have Persian cats. She has
I
cats at
have
home.
two, but
Next
not
year,
here.
planning for the participation.
I wish I could, yeah. I would definitely want to get them here, but I think I'm not sure if they're going to love this because they become like overwhelmed with
Yes,
the
yes.
entire noise and sounds around.
Thank you so much for joining us. Can we do a kudos for the expo? Cheers and thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, so I have somebody from Trolls who's going to definitely tell me how is the experience going so far, sir, and how's the footfall. So many people are there on your counter. Please tell us, how do you feel right now?
Sure. It's been great. I mean, like I said in the morning, the crowd's just flocking in, and you can see for yourself, it's getting bigger and bigger year after year. And we are very happy and proud to be the title sponsors this year and to be having a long association with FCI. So both the brands have grown, together equally. And as you can see, we have a decent crowd, footfall in our stall as well, because we offer a lot of varieties to pet parents across categories, across price points, without compromising on nutrition and being 100% natural and original. And we are also running a very special contest for the cat parents who are coming here, wherein which they have a chance to get 3 months of free food if they just take a 360-degree camera and then tag us and FCI on the social media. So great atmosphere, and happy to be here.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, Ananya is all the way from Kolkata. Right? Ananya, how are you feeling at the expo?
It's definitely a new experience for me. It's the first time I've ever been to some place like this, and it's so amazing to see all of these new cats and like the competition and getting to hold.
Yes.
So much variety I'm finding with like samples and everything.
Any specific breed or anything that you loved about it, and you are like, I see people going crazy about cats?
The Bengal cats that I'm seeing here, they are so agile and so strong and so amazing looking that I am just like in awe. I am finding them great, but Persian specifically and Siamese cats, they're so gorgeous. I'm just fangirling all over all of them.
Yes. So you're gonna come with 3 varieties next year for the participation. I'm hoping so.
I'll definitely try.
Thank you, Ananya. It was really great to see you. Let's have a cheers for FCI.
This is my second time judging for Cat Expo. The first time was last year, and I see that this event has not changed in a bit, but I see more spectators coming in, more exhibitors, more cats that comes in, right? So I think for today, my experience is less hectic. I'm doing a specialty ring, so less cats for me, more time for me to rest.
It's really good. All the cats are so cute, and they're just truly amazing. Sania Pathan with me. Sania, I'm a fan of you. Firstly, you tell us, इतना crowd expect नहीं किया था मैंने, but people are just going on coming. How are you feeling?
We expected an great response, but this was bigger than what we expected. So much of cats, even if there were participation of 500 cats, I guess there was walk-in of more than 400 cats like that only. People are enjoying. We have 100 plus brands coming in. So this atmosphere is making people crazy.
And what do you have to say about FCI? Yesterday, we killed it at the awards. You were like 150 awards we gave almost, and people are so excited. People who don't have cats, they are like taking the bag.
See, the idea of hosting cat shows is that we inculcate hobby into this new youngsters and the upcoming generation to know like what is it is like to keep cats as a pet, and because it's a very indoor cat, and I think trends have changed post COVID. People want somebody as a companion.
Absolutely.
So, and I have seen there are data which are showing that cats are growing with compared to dogs.
Yes.
So, but dog in our country is a 100-year-old hobby. Cat is just coming in. So we are very happy to see the increase in the numbers of the cats.
Definitely. And Sania, we are also very happy that you guys are taking such a good initiative. So let's all the best to us, to them.